this casting option, HT-A7000, I have to click. Now it is on Chromecast.
You are watching Manzar Tech. Break the limits with Momin Hashir.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something incredibly exciting to unbox and showcase. The Sony home theater HT-A7000. Let's dive right in and see what this beauty has to offer. First of all, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, ensuring the safety of the product during transit. Wow, look at this. We have the main soundbar unit, wireless rear speakers and a wireless subwoofer. Let's open the box. What's inside? All accessories, cables and remote control user manuals are in this short box, small box. This is HDMI cable, this is power cord, and this is the wall mount stands especially for this soundbar system. And this is aux cable for center speaker sync, the user manual and setup guide, and 360 reality audio coupon, and this is the remote control. This soundbar itself boasts 7.1.2 channels for truly immersive audio experience. It has two Uprfiring speakers for over-the-head sound, and this is the right side and this is the left side Uprfiring speakers. So you get over-the-head sound as well as a 360-degree sound. And here these are the feather touch buttons for manual controlling the soundbar. And here we get a beam tweeter for wider surround sound, and after that we have 5 different speakers and 1 dual subwoofer, and in the last again we have a beam tweeter for wider surround sound. So we will get a dedicated 7.1.2 channel soundbar system with 360 spatial sound mapping. Let's see all the connectivities given in this soundbar system. This is power supply and power cord. These are HDMI inputs. You can connect multiple devices directly into the home theater, like your setup box or any gaming console or camera or any Blu-ray or DVD player if you want to connect. Here it is HDMI out, or you can say it is EARC connection, enhanced audio retail channel, which is connected to your TV, by which you are getting sound in your home theater system. This is USB port and this is center out. If you have Bravia XR TV, then you can connect your TV in this connection, and then your TV will work as a center speaker. It means your TV will be the part of home theater system. Don't confuse it with the aux in or analog in, because the looks are same. Because as center out is an output and analog in is an input. Audio in or analog in allows you to connect devices like MP3 players, older audio equipment, or any device with a compatible analog audio output. Here is the wireless subwoofer SW3 itself, nicely packed and secured. Let's carefully take it out. In the box we have the power cable and user manual, setup guide and subwoofer itself. The design is modern and minimalistic, fitting seamlessly into any home decor. It's compact yet robust, promising powerful bass for our audio setup. On the back we have 2 buttons, one is for on and off subwoofer and second one is for linking wireless setup. And look at these wireless rear speakers. No more dealing with tangled cables while achieving that authentic surround sound. Again, we have 2 options in rear speakers. This is RS3, which requires continuous power supply. We have one more option in rear speakers, which is RS5, which has a battery backup for 10 hours. All units are connected with the main power now. Let's follow the easy step-by-step instructions and we will have this amazing audio setup ready to go in no time. Let's connect it to the Wi-Fi. With built-in Wi-Fi, the HT-A7000 can connect to your home network. This connection facilitates features like firmware updates, seamless integration with other smart home devices like Alexa or Google Mini, and access to the online music streaming services like Spotify, providing a wide array of entertainment options. The audio quality is truly remarkable, delivering deep bass, clear dialogue, and a wide soundstage that enhances your movie and music experience. 360 Reality Audio is an advanced audio technology developed by Sony that aims to revolutionize the way we experience sound. It's designed to create a three-dimensional immersive audio environment, enveloping the listener in a sphere of sound, much like how we experience sound in the real world. Let's experience it. Allowing you to cast audio directly from compatible mobile devices, tablet or computers. This feature enhances the flexibility and ease of streaming your favorite music or podcast. Let me show you how it works. With just one or two clicks, you can cast your favorite music from mobile or from your PC or tablet or any supported devices. Right now I'm going to show you Chromecast from my laptop, so experience it. As you can see here, along with the other connectivities like Bluetooth, USB, analog and special music streaming app like Spotify, there is one more connectivity which is called Chromecast built-in. With this feature you can cast your favorite music or podcast from your any compatible devices like mobile or tablet or PC. Anyone can show you how to connect with Bluetooth, but nobody will show you that how you can cast your music or video from your laptop or mobile phone to this home theater system. Let me show you that. Right now I am going to cast the music from my laptop to this home theater system. Now it is on home screen and I want to listen music from my laptop. The music is going on and with just this casting option is open, and here HT-A7000 I have to click. Just with one click the music transfer to the home theater. Now see, now it is on Chromecast. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth unboxing and feature showcase of the Sony home theater HT-A7000. If you are in pursuit of an unmatched audio experience at home, this is undoubtedly a game changer. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. See you next time.